Hello, my name is Bin Tan. I'm the founder of IoT Flash. Also, I'm the primary developer of IoT Flash Data System. Today, I will briefly introduce IoT Flash Data System and also perform a quick demo on how to set up an IoT Flash Data System and configure a major service, virtual disk drive. IoT Flash Data System provides virtual disk and virtual LAN services to any applications so that applications can access a group of shared SSDs with unlimited expandable storage capacity and high IOPS. IoT Flash Data System consists of two major components. One is IoT Flash Ocean Blue software platform. Another is IoT Flash software-defined SSD. IoT Flash Ocean Blue software platform aggregates many SSDs into a single storage core and provides virtual disk and virtual LAN to any applications. IoT Flash software-defined SSD delivers policy-based SSD service on demand and supports IoT Flash in-drive analytics technology. So now I will give a quick demo to show how to set up an IoT Flash Data System, and follow that I will also show how to quickly set up a virtual disk drive to applications. So for the demo purpose, we are only using two computers. So the one in front of us is with the IP address 10.168 and .168.10. So my right hand side, there's another computer. So that's with IP address 10.168.168.20. So for the computer in my left, so I'm going to run 3 storage load, and for the right hand side one, there I just use 10.16.8.16.8.20. We're going to run 2 storage node. So totally for this demo system, we'll have 5 storage nodes and also the 2 service node. So how do we set up this system? So we first start with a GUI. So then in there, we can visually see all those nodes comes up. So first we start the GUI. Okay, the GUI started. So in this GUI panel, yeah, we already see there is a one node up. That is called in administrative plane. So it's basically administrative node. They were going to in charge of all the automation to bring up the node. So now let's go ahead and start up start up the first 2 storage load in the right hand side. So start up 1. Let's put this into. So now in the right hand side, you see that is one node started showing up. So let's start another node in the right hand side. Scrape storage. Start, okay. Start storage. So now you show the second storage node come up. So we're going to start another 3 in the right hand side. This one, say scrape, start storage. This one, we're in 10.168.168.10 support. Okay, so now you see that this is much faster in this one. So we go to the so the scripts start storage dot show okay, now you'll see another storage node just come up. So let's start the fifth one. Show now you see all five storage nodes started. So now let's go ahead and start the service node from the right hand side computer. Now you see the one started. So now there we are going to start the second one. So now you see there the systems bring up. We have this storage. Now this is a service node. So how the next questions is how do we utilize those shared pool of shared storage node for the service, which or through the service node to the applications. So the one path is create the virtual disk to the application. So and the virtual disk we are going to through the schema. So basically that the schema is very simple. So then there we're going to I will show you what the schema looks like. Here is a schema one.txt. So this we're going to create the one virtual disk and with the virtual disk name 1, and they were going to use in the 5 storage node. So basically so that and another virtual disk. So they were going to using just 3 of them. So and with virtual disk number 2, they were just using this 3, which basically is in this side, left hand side, and all these virtual disks will be created in the right hand side. So easy to see. So now there you'll see it's very easy to doing this. So let's first check are there any I mean disk drive in the left hand side. So we can quickly just type s dev, and then we are most always IoT, and if there is any in there. So there's none in there. Okay, so in this side, how do we going to load this schema and create this one? So basically, we're going to using a simple client. So we're going to connect it to admin server using a connection, any connection 10 data 16a data 16a data 20, and I believe that's port is this port 16a.16a.20. Yeah, we connected. So select connection 2. So now we're just simply load the schema home dev test schema 1.txt. Okay, we load it. So after we load this schema, so let's take this side, see if there is a disk comes up. Yes, did you see? So that's the IoT Flash Virtual Disk 1. So how quickly it is. So and next one, so if we just node another schema 3, so they were going to so this is take a look at this side again. Yes, we have the second virtual disk. So any application, for example, the NFS or the database, you're using this virtual disk. So you can exactly same as you're using a local disk. So, but this virtual disk, you have expandable unlimited storage capacity, and also the performance IOPS is extremely high. So that's giving you seamlessly advantage of the SSDs even without install your application where there's no change. How about that? Okay, that's the beautiful that's the beauty of this IoT Flash Data System. That's all. Thank you.